In this presentation, we will learn how to balance equations. But this isn't just any presentation. This is an M&S and R&D presentation.
We're used to using word equations like this one to describe the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to form water. But how much hydrogen and oxygen do we need? And how much water will we make? Can you tell from this equation?
For example, let's look at the ingredients of a cake. How much flour do you need? How many eggs? How big a cake will you make?
Our word equation doesn't give us enough information. Let's look at it using the universal language of chemistry.
Remember that hydrogen comes in pairs, H2, oxygen comes in pairs, O2, and water is H2O. Now we can get a clearer picture of the reaction.
Turning back to our cake example, we need to make sure we have the right balance of ingredients to get the right product at the end. In this case, a delicious cake.
Back to water. Is this equation balanced?
No!
We have too many oxygens.
Step 1. Balance the oxygen.
There are 2 oxygen atoms on the left and only 1 on the right. There aren't enough oxygen atoms on the right, so we need another molecule of water.
Is it balanced now?
No! Step 2. Balance the hydrogen.
Now there aren't enough hydrogen atoms on the left. 4 here and 2 here. So we need another molecule of hydrogen.
Is it balanced now?
Yes! Woohoo!
There are 4 hydrogens on the left and 4 on the right, and 2 oxygens on both sides too.
This method is really visual and great to help us understand how we balance equations. But now let's look at a more practical method to balance equations. Let's look at this example of the combustion of methane.
Let's work through this step by step. Step 1. What elements do we have in the reaction?
Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen.
Great. Let's write those down the middle. Step 2. How much of each element do we have on the left and right side?
Okay, I've done that. Now what?
First, carbon.
But it's already balanced?
Yeah, we don't have to worry about that. What about the hydrogen?
Oh yeah, there's not enough on the right. We need 2 more.
That's correct. How can we get more hydrogen on the right?
I can add another molecule of water.
Yes.
So we have enough hydrogens now, but we still need 1 more oxygen on the left.
Whoa. First, we need a recount.
What? Why?
Water has given us hydrogen, but what else does water have in it? Yep. O for oxygen. Recounts.
Okay, so we need 2 more oxygens on the left.
Yeah.
And that's easy because oxygen is in pairs.
Perfect.
Right, so I think we're done here.
Can we double check? Recounts.
Excellent, all balanced.
Wicked. This wasn't just equations. This was balancing equations. This wasn't just a production. This was an M&S and R&D production.